Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can transform any design into a custom personalized doc. This is a pro feature on Canva, but I think it's worth it if you want to. So here I'm just going to go to try resize and magic switch, and it's going to let me open this I guess design here that they have, and I want to convert it into a document. So select the resize and magic switch up here next to files and select transform into doc. Here I'm going to you can transform into summary, blog post, outline. They have some other options as well here, even like song lyrics, which I think is pretty cool. So I'm just going to select this executive summary, and then I'm going to select transform into doc. Larger designs may take a little longer, and it's going to transform that into a document. So I think I'll be right back once it's been transformed. Okay, so it's been loaded. So I'm just going to select open document, and it's going to bring me to this page. And as you can see, now it is a document, which I think is pretty cool. You can of course adjust some things, like this is a little bit empty. You can double click to edit that and add in like a design maybe or something like that. I'm just going to randomly add this on. Then I'll select replace current page, save, and when you go back, as you can see, it will change. I don't know why it's not loading properly though, but as you can see, it has turned into a document. So that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!